Hey guys, for sure nowadays the world is upside down because of the new launch of the DeepSeek application that outperforms ChatGPT in its latest version. And actually the most mind-blowing feature, it is completely for free. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can leverage DeepSeek application to make money online using one of the best features so far. So now let's get started. And first of all, just you can head over to deepseek.com where you can join and access this amazing platform for free. So now you can head over to this option and start now. Then you can land on this page that is similar to ChatGPT interface. Then it's time now to write an article about any topic you like, just up to 3,000 words. Yes, you heard that right. Here on deepseek.com, you can generate a whole article up to 5,000 words in a specific topic. But now we can change the game a little bit. We don't make any AI tool to generate a whole article based on its suggestions or its points. The best part, we want to make this article more search engine optimized, and Google loves it so much. So how you can do that, Freeman? Simply we can head over to google.com and now we can insert this topic. It's about any swimming, yoga, parenting like that, or something else like parenting styles. And now we can head over to this section that says people also ask. It's a gem for many content creators to create content regarding these questions, and for sure your content would be loved by Google itself because you are providing a great value to audience. So here you have two options. Either you can get all these relevant questions from Google regarding this topic, or simply you can trust in my folder that I would leave down below in the description box in the first comment, that contains over 80 the most demanded niches and it provides you over 50,000 real questions extracted from Google in about 4,000 hot and trending topics like for lifestyle, gaming, golf, and so on and so forth. So here if we are talking about the parenting niche, so I can go directly to this one, parenting and child development. Then you can find here many of these relevant and hot and trending topics regarding this niche. People also ask these topics frequently on Google. So I pick one of these beautiful topics like this one, tips for raising confident kids. And it will be like this one, as you see. Thus, you can find here all these questions people are asking and these pressing questions from people regarding building confidence for their children. So it's time now to copy some of them all as you like this one for example. Copy and insert them in a text file like this one. Okay, and copy them again and head over back to deepseek.com where we can insert here this prompt like write me a full 3,000 word article that includes these points. So paste all these questions that I have taken from my folder or from Google as you like. Then insert some touches like make it professional with headings, subheadings, and answer these questions in a convincing tone. And just in a matter of seconds, DeepSeek would analyze this prompt and prepare this article amazingly, as you see. Then it gives you a solid content or a solid article about your topic, and for sure including these questions as heading and subheadings that makes Google rank this article higher on Google search results, and for many people are looking for these relevant topics. How do you raise a confident child, how to raise a strong confident daughters, and so on and so forth, with relevant bullet points and answers of these questions. And obviously this article, it is not more than 1,000 words, so I just expand these paragraphs to reach my goal, that is 3,000 words in this article. And for that, DeepSeek generate and expand these paragraphs a little bit to make it your goal, as you see. And for sure you can repeat this process to reach over 4,000 or 5,000 article if you like, and if your goal is these huge number of words in your article, as you observe. But the most important thing here, you can make your article more valuable by including these questions that you have got from Google itself, and many people are looking for answers to this question related to this hot topic. Perfect. And now it's time to move on to the next step. Just you can copy this whole article to rewrite and rephrase it to generate new copies. And here, the best and the only one tool that enables you to rewrite and rephrase this huge and lengthy article is for sure SpinRewriter.com. It depends on AI to make these articles more readable and generate new copies while keeping the whole meaning of this article. So now you can sign up for free, and for sure it gives you a free trial of 5 days. Thus here you can head over to rewrite a single article, click over it, and now insert this article that you have generated from DeepSeek. You have to be mindful of a specific point. Here you can head over to this settings, and here we want to add some protected words that we will not to be rephrased or rewritten. For sure we mean these questions we have taken from Google itself as they are. So we can insert here these lines or these PAA, or people also ask, that we have got previously from our file or from Google. It's the same. So you insert here in this SpinRewriter these protected lines. Perfect. To make your article same search engine optimized to these questions people are also answered in the search bar. So now we can click over this button, OK, and this next step. That's it. And you can generate billions of these possible versions. Anyway, you can head over to this button, final step, to refine this article. Thus here you have two options. Either you can export many of these new copies here just by a click of a button. Here you can export up to 1,000 articles from this export process. Okay, or you can generate a unique article, one article, or a new copy from your original article. So here you can repeat this process again, or you can generate your unique articles by starting over this way, or you can export many of these articles at 20, 30, 50 as you like. And for sure, they are entirely new copies, and they are all search engine optimized regarding your topic and your main ideas. And now it's time now to publish all these new copies in different platforms, the most popular platforms for bloggers. For sure, we mean medium.com. Here you can sign up for free and create your account regarding parenting styles, parenting niche, and here publish your article or your original article that you have generated from deepseek.com. And the next one, like Live Journal, here we can take another copy that we have got from SpinRewriter and publish here in our account here. And likewise on Quora Space, here you can sign up on Quora.com and head over to this icon that refers some people to create what's so-called space or microblog regarding your topic or your niche, where you can publish your posts, your ideas, your articles as you want. And for sure, we don't forget this one, Templar.com. That way, you prevent the duplication of your content published in many platforms regarding the same topic, because if you copy paste the same content or your article in more than one platform, Google punishes you and it will not make your article in any of these platforms rank higher on Google search results. So that way you can keep fresh content for every single platform and rank higher on search results. And now it's time now how we can monetize these articles that we have jot down on these platforms. Here you can monetize your articles by promoting different products relevant to this topic. Either they are digital products or affiliate products. And the first simple method, just take it over to google.com, and then you can find here tens or hundreds of these websites that direct you for the most popular and the most profitable affiliate products regarding this specific niche. And of course you can change this parenting if you want, like swimming, yoga, anything else you like. And for sure, you can find many of these affiliate networks out there, like Digital Store 24 or Impact Radius, Amazon, or for a specific niche platforms like the nutriprofits.com or sellhealth.com and so on and so forth. And for sure, you can find down below in the description box, the first comment, a big list of the best affiliate networks for beginners. So check it out. Or provide your audience a digital products regarding this topic. And for sure, I just discussed about how you can generate and create your digital products relevant to your topic. So you can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. So that way you can leverage the best features here on DeepSeek to create a huge article based on your article, and using my huge folder that gives you the most valuable and the most hot trending topics, and it gives you over 50,000 questions extracted really from Google. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching. If anything else, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.